Mr. President, last week, United Nations personnel in Ukraine were involved in two alarming drone-related incidents. On 14 May, a United Nations vehicle was struck twice in Kherson, where repeated drone attacks have made life extremely dangerous for civilians. The clearly marked vehicle was part of an interagency humanitarian mission led by the Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs. The mission had been notified to the parties well in advance. This followed an incident on 12 May when another clearly marked United Nations vehicle that was part of a World Food Programme humanitarian convoy was reportedly hit by a remote-controlled drone in Dnipropetrovsk region. International law, including international humanitarian law, must be respected at all times.